Good morning, everyone. I'm Kristen Vallis, holistic health coach and healer, and I just woke up, so bear with me. But I woke up to a very intense, strong message this morning, and I felt compelled to share it. I don't usually go live this early because I'm doing my lemon water and my celery juice and my smoothie and all of that, but I just had to stop what I was doing and share this message with you because it was just so powerful, and I'm feeling so needed today. And like I feel it in every bit of my body. I can feel my legs tingling right now and all of that. And you know, this message that I woke up to, I was awake, but tired. Like I didn't want to get out of bed this morning and open my eyes. And then I heard this voice coming through. I don't know if it was my higher self or something, some other channeled voice, but I heard, "Are you ready? Are you ready to get up? Are you ready to see yourself as you truly are?" So I want to invite you to listen to what I have to say. To, if you are someplace where you can go in front of a mirror and look at yourself, this will be even more powerful. And I want to show you, you know, I've been not wanting to come on camera much or take pictures of myself much in the past year because I've had a lot of problems with my eyes. And if any of you have had problems with your eyes, either your vision or with styes, chalazions, anything like that, blurry vision, you know, not having 20/20 vision, eye floaters, all those kinds of things. Well, astigmatism, like I've got a lot of that stuff going on. And so all last year, like literally when New Year's hit, I think it was a couple days maybe before New Year's last year, I took a supplement that didn't jive with my body, and boom, my left eye swelled up, and I got a whole bunch of chalazions, and it took almost the entire year for them to, for my eye to clear. And it's not even entirely clear right now, it's very close, but it's not entirely clear. And then no sooner did this eye start looking normal again than the right eye went. And so if you know anything about the right and left sides of the body, so the left side indicates the feminine, it also indicates the past, and the right side is more your masculine and the future and where you're headed. So, you know, the left side, I was clearing a lot of distorted images and belief systems about my past and who I am and who I was and things that have happened in my life, and really clearing all of that. And so when I was able to clear a lot of that, that's when my eye cleared up. And now it's clearing the future. And really, really, I think what this is about is being willing to see myself for who I truly am, and to love myself exactly where I am. And so many of us, I think, are experiencing things like this right now. And oh, the other thing I wanted to mention is the significance of this happening last year for me, because 2020, if you think of 2020 vision, in being able to see clearly, this is kind of what all of this was about. It was just, it happened, of course, at exactly the right time. And so, you know, now we're moving into 2021, but I don't feel like 2021 has fully started yet. I feel like we're still cleaning up a lot of stuff from 2020, and thus I'm still having the eye stuff happen. And so I don't know if you can probably see it, but I'll just move a little closer so you can really see what's going on with my eye. So it's all swollen. It's also tearing because I have a blocked tear duct. And you can see that this eye has improved dramatically because it used to look like this eye. So, so I think all of this stuff with vision and eyes is fascinating. And I've also noticed this week having a horrible time trying to read, you know, on my phone, on the computer, all of that, because My vision's been going in and out of being blurry. Oh, hold on a second, I gotta grab that. You're right back into a way. I'm here. I forgot I put the alarm on and it won't shut itself off. So anyway, so yes. So I was talking about the whole vision thing. So yeah. So what I want to do is invite you right now to just get in front of a mirror if you can, if you're not driving. Find some place to pull over if you are driving so that you can do this exercise or come back to it later. But stand in front of a mirror and just follow me through and ask yourself these questions with me. So, are you ready to see who you truly are? Are you ready to see how beautiful your hair is? I don't care if it's thinning. I don't care if it's falling out. I don't care if it's gray. I don't care if you don't have hair on the top of your head. Are you ready and willing to see how beautiful it is? Are you ready and willing to see how beautiful your skin is? How, no matter if you have blemishes, if you have eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, anything going on, acne on your skin, are you ready to see how beautiful it is, just as it is, in all of its imperfections? Are you ready to see? I can feel you guys. Are you ready to see how beautiful your eyes are in all of their splendor and imperfections? Are you ready to see how beautiful your nose is? So many people hate their nose. So many people, and your nose is beautiful, just as it is. And by the way, I was one of them, hating my nose for such a long time. Are you ready to see how beautiful your lips are? What about those ears? Maybe they're not even. Maybe they stick out a little bit. Are you ready to see how beautiful they are? Just as they are. Maybe you feel like they're too big or too small, or maybe they don't hear as well as you would like. Maybe they ring. Maybe you have tinnitus. Are you ready to see the beauty in that? Are you ready to love it? Are you ready to embrace the Epstein-Barr you have in your body? Can you love the Epstein-Barr? Instead of being at war with it, instead of fighting it, can you love it? Can you love the shingles that you have going on in your body if you have that? Can you love the streptococcus? Can you understand that you are not separate from any of it? That it is all part of who you are? And the more you fight against it, the more you're fighting part of you. It's not separate from you. If you have COVID, can you love the COVID? Can you love it? Because it's a virus that's in you. And it's part of who you are right now if you have it. Can you love it? I know that that sounds crazy in some ways, but can you love the experience of what you're having because it's bringing you forward in your evolution, in your conscious evolution? Can you love it? Can you love everything about your physical health right now? Whether you have trouble with energy or walking or using your hands and arms, or if you're in chronic pain, can you love those things about your body? Can you love the magnificence of your body? And really have gratitude, deep gratitude and appreciation that despite everything you might be up against, it's still functioning. You're still here. The basic things that you need to function are working, or they're working enough to provide you with life. Can you really have gratitude for your body and see how amazing it is that despite any health challenges you might be up against, that it's still working for you. And it's still working to clear anything out of your body that might be causing some of these issues, whether they're viruses or bacteria or heavy metals, other toxins. Can you just love all of that? Because it's all part of you right now, right? And you don't have to change a thing. It's all perfection. One of the things that I've really dove deep into last year and continue to do is finding unity within the body, with the body, and realizing we're not separate from our bodies and we don't need fixing. We don't need fixing. Even if we have dis-ease going on in the body, there's nothing to fix except our distorted perception that there's something wrong with us. We are just perfect. We're perfect in the dis-ease. We're perfect just as we are. Are you willing to see that today? Are you willing to see how powerful you are? Are you willing to see what a powerful creator you are? And that as you come out of this distortion that you've been living in about who you think you are, that the disease will just naturally melt away. Are you willing to consider that as a possibility? That you don't need to throw all of these different things at dis-ease to cure it, but only to love yourself in the dis-ease. Are you willing? Are you willing to see how powerful a creator you are? Are you willing to take responsibility for that ability you have to create so powerfully and use it for good? Use it for good in your own life so that you can expand that out to the rest of the world. Are you willing to see your light? Are you willing to see that you are love? Are you willing to see all of that? Because that is the truth of who you are. That is the truth of who you are. You are not your diseases, but they are part of you. And they are all part of the love that is you and the light that is you. And you don't have to reach a certain level of health to be able to spread your light, to share your light, to share your love with the world. And when you can embrace unity within your own body, with yourself, that's when you can truly start experiencing unity with others. That's when you can start to drop the judgments about others, about what they look like, about what they think, about what they believe, about what they stand for, even any of the distortions that other people may have in your perception. You can drop all that when you start to see the unity of yourself first, that you're not separate from your body, that you're not separate from the universe, that you're not separate from other people. It all starts coming together when you start with yourself. So look in that mirror. Look in that mirror and ask yourself, are you willing? Are you ready? Are you ready to see that truth? Because that is the truth. That is the truth. You are so beautiful and so perfect, exactly as you are right now. No matter what you've got going on with your eyes, your skin, your health, you are so perfect, so beautiful. Have a lovely day, everyone. I hope you hear this and I hope you're willing. I hope you're ready. Because today, it's really important that we step into this. It's a new beginning, and it's one that is important to take in the energy of love, of the love that you are. Have a great day, everyone.